Finding your Revolut QR code is straightforward. Start by opening the Revolut app on your phone. Next, locate and tap on the Payments section. This is typically found at the bottom of your screen as a payment icon. In the Payments section, select Request or Receive to access the money request options. Choose the QR code option, and your personal QR code will be displayed. Others can scan this code to send you money instantly. Alternatively, you can create payment links. Navigate to Request Money and select Payment Link to generate a shareable link with an embedded QR code. Both methods provide secure, instant ways to receive payments. Your QR code and payment links work across all supported currencies in your Revolut account. Revolut's QR codes offer powerful benefits for digital payments. They enable instant money transfers between users, support multiple currencies, and provide flexible payment options. To scan someone else's QR code, navigate to Payments, then Pay, then QR code. The camera opens automatically, allowing you to scan any Revolut QR code for instant payment processing. Revolut QR codes support multiple currencies automatically, using real-time exchange rates. You can generate codes for specific amounts or leave them open for the sender to decide the payment amount. Every QR code transaction is automatically logged in your transaction history, providing complete visibility and tracking of all your payments. Revolut has streamlined its QR code system to work seamlessly across multiple payment scenarios, from in-person retail transactions to online purchases and peer-to-peer transfers between friends and family.